So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create a t-shirt mockup here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So first thing you have to do is open up Canva. Now once that is done, go to the top left hand side of your screen and press on the Elements tab right here. Under the Elements tab, simply just scroll down to the bottom to where it says Mockups, then press on See All. Now scroll down to where it says Apparel right here, press on See All. Now once you're here, if you want to create a t-shirt mockup, for this example, just press on the t-shirt right here, just a blank white t-shirt, as well as a real life example of someone posing wearing a t-shirt. So just like this, you can kind of see it in two different, examples. So if we were to go back to apparel right here and for this demonstration, I'll just select a photo right here through Canva. So if I wanted to create a photo right here of, I don't know what's a good example. How about a flower? I'll just search up a flower just like this. I will then scroll down, and how about I find the example right here of these purple flowers right here. So if you wanted to have this on a t-shirt, simply just slide this into a t-shirt just like this, and what you're actually going to see happen is sort of what it would work or what it would look like on a t-shirt. Same thing here. I'll actually use a better example. That wasn't a great example. So how about I use, I don't know, fire, something bright, just like this. So these flames right here, I'll just select these ones. I'll throw it into the t-shirt just like that. So that's what the t-shirt would look like. And in this example right here, as a person wearing a t-shirt, you can go ahead and do this just like that. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to create a t-shirt mockup here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.